How to connect Instagram to your Facebook page. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can connect Instagram to your Facebook page. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Now, before we connect our Facebook page to Instagram, make sure you have professional Instagram account. If you don't have your professional Instagram account, then you can switch your personal account to professional. For that, once you're on your profile page, tap on the three-line icon at the top right. And under settings and activity, you have to get to creator tools and controls. So search for that option, tap on it, and on this page, you will have an option to switch to professional account. Tap and switch to professional account, follow all the instructions and set up your professional account. After that, once you have your professional account, now in order to connect to your Facebook page from your profile, tap on the three-line icon at the top right. Under settings and activity, you have to scroll down a bit and head towards creator tools and controls. Here, scroll down and there is an option as connect or create. Tap on it. Here, tap on continue. Here it says connect to a Facebook page. So tap on log into Facebook. Since I am already logged into my Facebook account, I'll tap on continue. But if you have another different account, then you have to log in. So tap on continue. Now you have to select the page that you would like to connect to. Here I have. Then tap on connect. Here it says your Instagram is now connected to your Facebook page. Now if you go back, close your Instagram account and open up your Facebook and switch back to your page. So once you're on your page, tap on the three-line icon at the top right and go to your settings. Under settings, scroll down a bit and head towards linked account option under permissions. And there you go, now your Instagram account is connected. So that's how you can connect Instagram account to your Facebook page, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.